In this video, we will discuss about the impact of missing statistics on a table. So what we'll do is we will disable auto create statistics option on AdventureWorks DW database, and then create a new table after we disable auto create statistics option on AdventureWorks DW database, and then try running a query on the newly created table, and then see the estimates as far as the query optimizer is concerned, and see how effective is that without the statistics in place. So we'll start with disabling the auto create statistics option on AdventureWorks database. Now, what I'll do is I will create a table called table1 underscore temp from the existing table, table1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the list of statistics on table1 underscore temp. I'm pretty sure there will be no statistics, but I just want to check that once. So right now, I executed it on table1 underscore temp, and I'm, as expected, not able to see any statistics at all. So now, what we'll do is we will check for all the rows on table1 underscore temp, where column 4 is 11 January 2024, 8:32 p.m. 06 seconds. So let's enable the actual execution plan, and then let's execute this query. What I'm able to see is we are returning close to 13,000 rows. And now let's go to the execution plan. We have a table scan happening on table1 underscore temp, and let's look at the values there. And what I'm able to see is we are able to see close to an estimate of 344, and we are returning close to 13,000 rows. So now this is close to 100 times estimate issue, wherein maybe 50 times. It's too much of a lower estimate, where we estimate close to 344 rows and end up returning close to 13,000 rows. So what we can see here is without the statistics in place, I'm pretty sure the estimate is really going bad. Let's execute this query one more time and then see if there are any statistics. And as expected, there is no statistics here. So execute the query one more time, and then if you look at it, the estimate is 344, and we are our estimation is lower by 40x times. It's really bad, and if it is a production scenario, it's going to be a huge performance issue. Now what we'll do is we will enable auto create statistics option again on AdventureWorks TW database, and then what we'll do is we will execute this query one more time. The query is same, so what we'll do is we will execute the query one more time. It returns 13,000. We know that. We have a table scan on table1 underscore temp object. So let's hover the mouse over there, and now we are able to see that we are estimating 13,000 rows, and we are returning 13,000 rows. The estimates have really improved. It's a perfect estimate right now. It's no longer an 40x lower estimate. So this is the power of statistics. We should never ever disable auto create statistics until and unless the vendor basically advises us to do. But to be frank, statistics is very core as far as any estimate is concerned. So let's execute this query to see if we have an estimate created on if statistics is created on column 4. And as expected, we have statistics created on column 4, and it is an auto created statistics. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.